City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down. City of mine, how I love the city of mine. It never gets me down.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here. In today's video I am doing a clean with me. So we have lots to get done around the house today, so I'm going to take you guys along. So if you have anything on your to-do list or just want to sit and relax and watch a cleaning video, this is the video for you, and I'm excited to take you guys along today. So as always, we are starting in the bedroom by making my bed, and I do want to mention this comforter set. I have purchased it from Amazon. So if you've been with me a while, you know that I had a green comforter set from Target and we switched it over recently, and I purchased this one from Amazon. However, in my next video you'll notice that I have switched it again. So I wasn't too fond of this particular color, so I ended up ordering like a coconut cream one on Amazon as well, and it was like a waffle texture, and I definitely love it. So I'm going to show you guys that comforter set in probably the next video, but we are going to be doing some deep cleaning in here. So I'm going to be wiping down the window sills. I actually wiped down the windows as well, and then we're going to wipe down the mirror, my plant. So we're going to get lots done in the bedroom. I'm also going to come back in here and vacuum as well. So I needed to throw those blankets in the wash. However, I forgot that I had something already in the wash. So we're going to switch that over to the dryer, and then we'll throw those blankets in the wash and get those going. A lot of times whenever I come into the laundry room to start some laundry, I normally use this time to straighten up the laundry room, wipe it down, do all those things. So I definitely use that as a little bit of motivation once I start my laundry to tidy up and clean this space. But I just feel like dancing. Are you feeling it too? Oh baby, won't you love me? Won't you love me? Won't you love me? Love me like you So next we're going to switch out the trash, and then I totally forgot that they were going to be pressure washing, so you'll see me bring the trash bag back in a little bit later, but I'm going to go ahead and switch this out, and then we'll move on to the next room. So once again, if you have been following me for a while, you notice that I normally have a white vacuum cleaner, and I'm not 100% sure what the brand was off the top of my head, but we recently purchased this new vacuum cleaner from Target. It's the Bissell brand, and I definitely love it. They do have a cordless option. However, my family is not too fond of cordless options, so we just use the corded one, but that one works great as well. But if you prefer not to have a cord, it does have that option. It's just, of course, a little bit more expensive. But we ended up purchasing a new vacuum cleaner, and I definitely love it. So we're going to go ahead and wipe the dining room table down, and I'm just using my microfiber cloth along with my Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray. That's pretty much what I use for all of my surfaces, even the wood surfaces. I've never had an issue with that as well. So I know they have like Grove Collaborative does have options where you can buy just like wood cleaner. However, I just make sure to spray my rag or my cloth rather than spraying it right on the furniture. So but yeah, Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray works on pretty much anything.
Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too, babe. And love me like yesterday. Oh, but kinda new. Tell me you're feeling it too. And love me like yesterday.
So next we're going to dust this area. This area gets really dusty, I think just because the furniture is white, but I'm going to go ahead and dust this area, and then we're going to vacuum the living room. If you are enjoying this video so far, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel here. I post on cleaning, organizing, decluttering, any type of motivation to get something done today. If you are needing that type of inspiration in your life right now, you'll definitely love it here, and I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube community.
I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed.
Next, we're going to move on to the kitchen area. It's mainly just putting things back where they go. And I want to rearrange my little coffee situation that I have going on as well. So you'll see me doing that in a little bit. But I'm going to go ahead and put these dishes away. And then we're going to wipe down the countertops and the sink as well.
To the table, I know they saving us up for the stable friend of mine, cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. Could be good. Then you fade. Then you fade. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. No, you don't care. Could be good. Then you fade. Then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing.
I forgot to mention this a couple of videos ago, but I actually did finally purchase that fourth bar stool. I found it at Marshall's, and that's originally where I bought the other three about a year and a half ago. So I was excited to find that fourth one. So I went ahead and got it the last time I went. But I just feel like it makes this area a little bit more complete rather than the three that I did have. So definitely loving the 4 chairs.
She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space.
I also want to mention, you probably noticed me measuring earlier in this video when I was in the living room. I'm actually going to be putting up some new curtains. I'm just really tired of the beige curtains. I think it'll brighten it up if I add some white curtains. So I have pretty much floor to ceiling curtains I purchased on Amazon, and they're going to be like white sheer. So I'm excited to put those up, and hopefully they'll be up for you guys in the next video so you can actually see how it turns out.
Afraid of loving yourself, cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go.
So the load that I tossed into the dryer at the beginning of the video was actually finished. So I thought I'd throw this in at the end with folding this laundry and putting it up. So hope this inspired you to get some laundry done today. This is definitely one of those tasks that I definitely do not like, but it has to get done. So hope this motivated you to get some laundry done today.
Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. out here on my own. I would say we were good together. I would say we had fun, but our trails will never run forever. Something else is on your mind, like everything that's good in life always comes to an end. We're letting go, drifting apart. There's no use trying to pretend. And I know that it's over. Got the look on your face. It's so hard to.
Thank you guys again for watching this video. I hope it inspired you to get something done today. And as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Don't cry for me, oh.